now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We just got a quick review. These haven't had the global release yet, but obviously Nike let some people buy them a little early if you catch the right notifications here and there. That's weird. It came already kind of unwrapped. This must have been a pair that an employee was looking at. We got the Jordan 4 Cool Gray. I don't know if it's just a shoe I'll rock. I really like the Jordan 4. I really like the Cool Gray colorway. I think it previously released in 2004, I want to say, with the Jumpman, the silver Jumpman that sticks out a little bit. I like the materials they used on this shoe. They're not like super fine, but they're decent. Yeah, I don't know. It's for my Jordan 4 fans, they'll love it. It's a nice little back to school shoe, kind of. We're almost close to that time, so it's a nice little back to school shoe. Goes with a lot of things because it's the Cool Gray colorway, but you can't go wrong with Cool Gray. You just can't. So Jordan 4, I have a pre-order on my website. I'll put it in the description below. Yeah, whatever size you need, with anything anybody needs, I try to do my best to take care of you. And yeah, but Jordan 4 Cool Gray early.